Mobile phones, laptops, smart TVs. In recent years, increasingly more wireless appliances have been introduced to our daily lives. However, there are downsides to this technological revolution. One is the increase of electromagnetic interference, or EMI, in the atmosphere. In most cases, EMI concentrations are too low to cause health issues. But when working in high concentration areas, people can experience severe side effects such as headaches, anxiety, depression, and fatigue. So how to create a garment that provides optimal protection against EMI? Add Bekinox yarns by Bekaert to your fabric. These electrically conductive spun yarns shield against electromagnetic radiation and suppress up to 60 decibels in a frequency range of 10 MHz to 10 GHz. The yarns are light and flexible, which makes them easy to process and the garments more durable and comfortable to wear. Moreover, Bekinox is highly corrosion resistant, which helps it maintain its performance even after numerous washes. Bekinox can be processed into any type of garment, including gloves, caps, and bodysuits. Our global team of experienced experts can help you create a customized textile that perfectly complements your range of garments. Would you like to know how Bekinox can move your business forward? Visit metalfibers.bekaert.com.